Suction Type Indexing Machine Model SBSP6. Our machine is best recommended for ferrous, non-ferrous metals and sheet metal components ranging from 240 mm to 1500 mm. Timer-based automatic blasting. The machine has a unique system of clamping longer jobs. For lengths more than 900 mm, the jobs are located at the bottom on clamping fixtures and with the help of adjustable dead centers at the top. This holding system ensures perfect rotation of the job on the satellites and results in uniform and symmetrical blasting on the job surface. The machine is equipped with a single phasing preventer, which provides an added safety feature for the machine and saves the drives during loss of phase. Not only does this feature save the drives from such a fault while starting the machine, but also during operation. The machine's salient features are cartridge type dust collector with 95% dust holding capacity that is up to 5 micron. Synchronization between the speed of the gun reciprocation and satellite rotation. Motorized turntable. Stations with 360-degree rotation. Gun reciprocation system for uniform blast cleaning. And many more. Analyze, customize and personalize blast cleaning machines with us. We manufacture a variety of sand, shot, and abrasive blast cleaning machines. Whether your application is unique or standard, we have machines that will fit your needs and your budget. Each machine can be tailored according to your requirement and component or job size. Contact us now to place your order. Link in bio.